How to fix Cash App sponsor request limit reached. In this video, I will show you how to fix Cash App sponsor request limit reached. The first step is to open the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. You will land on the app homepage. After that, tap on the profile icon. It is this icon here at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your account, as you can see here. On this page, there are options that you can use to navigate to different sections of your account. After that, scroll down. Continue scrolling until you reach the bottom of the screen. From there, tap on this option here named Support. Please wait for the page to finish loading. On this page, you will see many different categories that you can browse through to find help. Scroll through them, and when you find this option here, tap on it just like I have done. Next, you will land on this other page. Please make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. After that, make sure you tap on this option here. Finally, you will land on this page. From the options that are here, go to the Contact section. Under the section, tap this option named Chat. Wait for the page to finish loading. Finally, this chat box will appear where you have to type a message explaining to Cash App the issue you are facing. You can also copy what I have typed here as follows. Hi, I'm getting sponsor request limit reached. I don't know why I'm getting this error. Kindly fix this issue for me. Thanks. After that, send them the message and they will respond to you with a solution. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. How to fix Cash App sponsor request limit reached.